Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make simple cupcakes at home. First, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or gas mark 5, then sieve 250 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl. Then add 250 grams of caster sugar, and then add 4 eggs. Four tablespoons of milk. And then finally 250 grams of butter. And then whisk it all together until the mixture is completely smooth. You can either do this by hand or use an electric whisk. I choose the electric whisk, it's so much easier and quicker to do it this way, but it's completely up to you, whichever is your personal preference. And then line a baking tray with the paper cases and divide the mixture evenly. And now it's time to put them in the oven. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until lightly golden. It does depend on the type of oven you have, so just check them after 15 minutes. And it really is that simple. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you have and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.